Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy honey garlic salmon. So we have here in front of us 2 pieces of 200 gram salmon, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper. That's for seasoning the salmon. We're going to pan fry the salmon, and for the sauce we have 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons light soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon water, and some lemon wedges to serve on top. So firstly, we're going to season the salmon. So make sure you dry the salmon with paper towel, and then we're just going to put the salt and the pepper. We're just going to season it. Round and do the same. We're going to put in some paprika, so we're just going to leave this aside and we can start frying that. We're going to heat up a pot on medium high, and we're going to cook the sauce for the salmon. Add in the butter, garlic, honey. Then add in the honey, the soya sauce, lemon juice, probably just half of the lemon juice. I'm going to leave the other half for serving later. Water. To let it boil. Now the sauce is boiled. We're just going to taste and see if we need anything else. Just luckily all the seasonings is great. We're just going to lower the heat and just keep it warm. To cook the salmon on a pan, just heat up on medium high. We'll heat up the pan until it's really hot before we put in the oil. So now the pan is hot. We're just going to add in the oil, about a tablespoon of oil. And we're just going to cook the salmon. We're going to leave it for just 3 minutes and not move it, and let it cook. Put the other side. Beautiful. Beautiful salmon. So now it's good. We can switch off the heat. So this is our easy honey garlic salmon. Pan fried, serve with salad of your choice, and we're going to drizzle the sauce. Just drizzle on top. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed today's cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.